Cangzhou Hener International Trade Company Limited is one new trading company set up in 2020. It is a professional integrating R&D, sales, export, and service. We have professional foreign trade sales team, operation team, R&D team, and after-sales team. Our R&D cycle for new products is at least 20 days. The working experience of our sales team is 3 to 5 years. The R&D personnel are all undergraduates. The average equipment maintenance experience of after-sales engineer is 8 years. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Our main business is CZ integrated machine equipment, color stone tile production line, slitting machine production line, roof sheet roll forming machine, glazed tile roll forming machine, floor decking sheet forming machine, highway guardrail plate making machine, container equipment, light keel roll forming machine, shutter door rolling machine, light keel villa roll forming machine, and various cold bending roll forming machines customization. Our main markets are the Middle East, Russia, Southeast Asia, South America, and African, etc., developing countries. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.